call me Little Choice?
Yeah.
What do you want us to do today?
I'm coming with mommy.
Oh, to do what? Some puzzle. Let's call little friends too. Little friends, come. We got the puzzle here. Can you hear it? Okay, we're gonna choose which number, right? It's between 3 and 4. Which one do you want to do?
3.
She chose the number 3. So I'm gonna take it out.
Ice cream truck. That's yours, mommy, and that's yours.
Yes.
And mine. Let's do the ice cream truck.
Can I help you, Little Choice?
Yes.
Okay, so one by one at a time. This is a little bit difficult. She got one.
Maybe not one, mommy.
Little Choice is getting it. No, I don't think this one's gonna go the one. We got another one.
Me, another one is.
Good job. I think this comes right over here. Try. Right over here, this side. Yes.
Maybe cupcake.
Maybe right over here. No, we have to do it gently, right?
Idea.
No, I don't think this one's gonna go there.
No, maybe up here.
No, that's not gonna go there also.
Maybe that one.
No, that's not gonna go there. Little friends, we don't know what to do. We're taking it.
Idea, mommy.
You need an idea?
Yeah. Maybe that one too, mom.
Yes, and this one goes right there. Good job. Now we're gonna look for a tree. Here, try this. That's not gonna go there. Wow, this is difficult. Little friend, this is very difficult. It's hard, right, Little Choice?
Right.
Oh, I'm thinking this one goes here. I found one here. No. Wait, hold on.
Idea, maybe that one.
Oh, no.
Maybe that one, mommy.
No, that's not gonna go there.
Maybe no.
And try.
I almost there.
Yeah, I think Little Choice got it. Good job. Wow.
It's hard.
Yeah. If you can find it, you pick it up and you put it down.
Here.
Good job, Little Choice.
Maybe that one too.
I'm thinking this one. Try this one. Try the one with the bubbles. Oh, she's getting the ice cream truck. Let's see.
It's hard. Maybe.
Yeah, put it right here.
Maybe that one too, mommy.
Yes. Take this one and put it right over here.
Here.
Good job, Little Choice.
Maybe that one.
I'm confused. Are you confused, Little Choice?
No.
Oh, there's one more here. Let's turn it around. Let me see. Yes, you're right, Little Choice. Wow. We did it.
Maybe that one too. No, upside up.
Let me see. No, it's not gonna go there. I'm thinking it's for this side.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Maybe that one.
No, just turn it around and let's see. No, that's not gonna go there. Difficult. Little Choice here. Here's another one here. We are able to do the sky. This is the hard puzzle.
Idea, mommy.
I can only do these things to you, Little friends, and Choice. Here, here's another one, Little Choice. And here, let's see. Okay, put it. Good job.
Maybe that
Here.
one.
And this.
Here.
Which one do you think is gonna go over here? Here, Little Choice. Teamwork. Let's turn it. Good job. Wow.
Maybe
Which
that
one?
one.
Do you think this one? Try put it in. Good job. I think this one's gonna come here. Wow.
Maybe that way.
Which one's gonna come here, Little Choice?
That one.
You think this one's gonna come here? Okay, go ahead. And then where do you think this one is gonna go?
Here.
Put it on top. Now we have to find which one goes over here, because we cannot find. We are missing one puzzle. Oh, here.
It's three.
Yes.
Here, all done now.
Leave it there. Are you gonna break it? You're gonna break it?
All done now.
Little friends, we did it. Leave it for little friends to look at it. Teamwork here. Teamwork. Teamwork. We did it. Thank you, little friends. Little friends, little Choice and I did 3 puzzles. First puzzle looks like a kitchen. We have the cat, we have Minky, we have Birdie, and we have Ducky. And now we're gonna show you the next one that we did. The second one is a living room. The third one that we did is an ice cream place. Now we're gonna get ready to do the fourth one. We're gonna change the way we do it. We are gonna do it 4 at a time. Okay, little Choice is gonna pick 4. Pick 4 puzzle.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, now we're gonna try and see if those 4 ones are gonna fit together. Okay? Do you think that they can fit together, or do we need more puzzles?
Need more puzzles.
Say puzzle.
Puzzle.
Come on, puzzle.
Come on, puzzle.
Okay, we're gonna get 4 more puzzles. Oh, here's 4 more puzzles. So if it doesn't go together, never force it. Okay, this one goes with this one. Did you see this, little Choice? And now we're gonna try. I'm gonna try with this one.
That one.
No, it's not gonna go with anything else. Let me bring out. What's the favorite word? 4 more puzzles. Say it.
4 more puzzles.
4 more puzzles. And the 4 puzzles are coming. 4 more puzzles. Which one's gonna go with the 4 puzzles? Choice, this one and this one's gonna go together. You do it gently, okay? This is gonna go right over here. Put it together. Good job.
Maybe that up. Maybe not do together.
No, I don't think those two gonna go together. You wanna try this in here? No, they're not gonna. Yes, you was right, little Choice. Wait, hold on. Let me see. Yes, good job,
Maybe
little
that
Choice.
one.
Maybe which one? No, that one's not gonna go there. What is the favorite word?
Please.
4 more puzzles.
4 more puzzles.
4 more puzzles are coming. This is definitely gonna come here. Take this puzzle and put it on top here. Okay, now which one do you think is gonna come over here, little Choice?
That one.
You think so? No, it's not. What's the favorite word? 4 more puzzles. Say.
4 more puzzles.
Yes! More puzzles coming in. Now let's see.
Maybe balloon. It's balloon.
Yes, but where do you think that balloon is gonna go?
It's with balloons.
Yeah, this is gonna go somewhere.
Here.
But not where little Choice thinks it would go.
Here.
No, it's not gonna go there because there's a boy here and there's none over here.
Maybe that one. 4 more puzzles.
Yes. You wanna try this over here? Little Choice is getting it right.
Maybe that one too.
Some big clap for little Choice. Oh, little friend, I know you're helping. Thank you, little friends. What's going on, little Choice?
Maybe more puzzles.
You think we need more puzzle? What do you think, little friends? You think we need more puzzle?
4 more puzzles.
Here. You want to try and put it right over here? Thank you, little friends. I did not see it, but you helped me see it.
Maybe that one, Mom.
This one, I think, is going to come right over here. Is it good? Good job, little Choice.
Maybe that one.
Now over here. We need here. This one's going to come here. Good job, little
Maybe
friend.
that one.
Let's see, let's see. We have to be patient when you do a puzzle. You have to think. You have to take your time and you have to focus, okay?
4 more puzzles.
Okay, 4 more puzzles coming. You ready?
Yeah.
4 more puzzles.
What's it balloon?
Okay, now let's see. Little friend, we need your help.
Done.
We need you to help us. Let me see, let me see. Yes, we found one.
That one.
You want to try it? Let me see. Yes! Yes, little choice is right. Take this one, the one that has the clock house on it, which is also a bird house. Little choice is gonna connect it. Little choice, if you're not able to connect it, you don't force it. You pick it up and you put it on top and you press it.
It's correct here.
Good job, little choice.
That one.
Little choice, I need help.
Ow. Idea.
Little choice is so smart and she's a good helper. You have to do one over here like this.
Correct.
Good job. And then this is gonna come over here. Wait, look at the design, okay? Where do you think this is? Right over here. Can you put it for me? Can you press it? Good job. Maybe this is gonna come here. Let's see. Yeah.
Maybe that one.
I'm thinking this one's gonna go over here. Can this fit here? Yes. So you do it. Take your time. Gentle, okay? Good job, little choice.
More.
Where do you think it's gonna come here?
That one.
And then final piece. We did it! Let's do a celebration dance. We did it! We did it! We did it! Wow, little friends! We did it! Thank you, little friends! So we did all of this puzzle together. So everything, me and Little Choice, and with our friends, little friends, we did it! 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 We did it!
We did